Hi, Matt Casey, Data Science Content Lead with Snorkel AI, here today to talk Superalignment with Snorkel AI CEO Alex Ratner. So Alex, Superalignment has been in the headlines a lot recently, and you want to talk about enterprise alignment. What's the difference?
Or the goal of superalignment is to align hypothetical future smarter than human AIs, often referred to as artificial general intelligences, to our objectives, ethics, safety standards, etc. Um, and enterprise alignment is a term that we've coined recently to try to bring this a little bit back to the here and now on planet Earth around actual problems with AI models that are causing potential safety issues, bias issues, and really blocking them from getting used in production. So by enterprise alignment, we mean aligning current AI models with enterprise or organization specific standards, policies, code of ethics, objectives, et cetera. So to make that really concrete, you might have a chatbot that is trying to give financial or medical advice. And you might want to make sure that this model aligns with a policy of what kind of advice can be given or what kind of topics can be discussed in a healthcare setting, which off-the-shelf models are not tuned to do.
You've likened designing superalignment to designing seatbelts for flying saucers.
When I said that, I was just trying to capture what I think a lot of the maybe the silent majority of sentiment is. There's been a lot of drama in the news recently. I'm a big fan of a lot of the work around superalignment. In fact, a lot of our more academic and theoretical research, starting out of Stanford back in 2015, actually gets at some of the primary directions around superalignment, some things that are called weak to strong generalization of using smaller models to supervise and align bigger, more powerful models. We did some of the original work on that. We're big nerds for this stuff. But a lot of the way that it's being positioned is very, very forward-looking and seems to kind of ignore the fact that where we are today, especially in real enterprise settings, is we're really still struggling just to walk with these models, to actually get them to production. We have to solve the challenges of using today's AI models in safe, performant, unbiased, and policy-aligned ways. Otherwise, the whole show is going to stop, and no more, and no one will get value out of flying saucers.
You've noted that you see enterprise alignment as a first step towards superalignment. Can you connect the two?
Some of this is a high level perspective of how do we go and achieve really ambitious technological and scientific objectives. Pursuing all the different approaches in parallel is usually the best way. So there's not really a conflict here. Just noting that at Snorkel, and I think many of us in the AI space, are kind of engineers at heart and think about taking incremental, steps towards these, bigger, future goals. Let's make, current AI models safe and aligned for current use cases and current organizational standards and policies and objectives and laws. And if we do that, we think we'll learn, we'll provide some real value to getting AI shipped in the enterprise and in general today. And B, we'll be taking very real, important steps towards, broader goals of enterprise superalignment more generally in the process. Getting out of the box LLMs and AI models today to actually work is all about customizing them and aligning them to the specific objectives. And this is very much an unsolved problem, and one that is not about a better algorithm or a better model, but really about the labeled, curated data that's fed in. And here at Snorkel, we're very, very excited to be making that programmatic, like software development, scalable and usable. If you're interested in learning more about what we're doing in the here and now around that, drop us a line.
All right. Well, Alex, thank you very much for your time, and we'll talk again soon.